2007 Ford Fiesta 1.4. This is a semi-auto, which you can also drive on an automatic license, which is quite good. Just means it's got an automatic clutch. It's the full auto, but it makes it cheaper to tax and cheaper to run. This one is a category N from the insurance company, which is a non-structural damage. You see it's nice and clean down that side. On the front, it's got a lot of service history with it, we'll say, and it's got 19,000 miles, which is absolutely fantastic. Right, it's down this side, it's got a mark on the bumper there. Seems to be about it. Oh, and there as well, it's got a tiny bit there, but I don't think it's worth painting that. I think it'd be just touched up. And it's got a couple of marks down here, but I don't think they're related, and most of that will polish off. And no damage down that side. All back, a few marks from where it's been parked. Just a little touch-up pen for that. And down that side as well. All nice and clean. It's got quite a few extras in it, which is quite nice. It's got power folding mirrors. It's got auto lights. And it's also got aircon, which is pretty good. And it's, apart from a hoover, it's in great condition. And these typically retail for a semi-auto with, well, I don't think you'll find one with 19,000 miles, but they have to be around the 3,000 and a half. And this will, I think, will sell for just over two, maybe £2,200. And it's a massive saving. And if you don't mind having something like that that's been touched up like that, you're going to save a lot of money for exactly the same car.